Hello everybody. So to change your WhatsApp to GB WhatsApp, so you have to back up your chat so your messages will be there after installing GB WhatsApp. So you can follow the step or you can do by yourself if you know. Thereafter uninstall your WhatsApp. After installing WhatsApp, go to the description and open the link provided below and download the GB WhatsApp Pro. Now install it. After installation, go to your file manager or file explorer or my files, whatever you have, and find your old WhatsApp folder and rename it by GB WhatsApp as shown in the video. Now open GB WhatsApp and everything will be like old WhatsApp or original WhatsApp. Click on agree and continue. Then after verify your phone number with your country code. Click on register button and register your messages. Now go to three dots on GB settings and there are a lot of options there, privacy, themes. Now we will change the theme, so click on theme. There are bundle of themes available for GB WhatsApp. So whatever you choose, download and apply it. Now the theme is applied automatically and there you top at the top left you can see the name which I have given, so there will be your name when you give it. Then go to JB settings again and see the options there. Now let's do the best hack of JB WhatsApp. Go to privacy and click on the first option, hide online status. Then go to bottom. You will see anti-delete messages is already enabled, so don't disable it. And click on the show blue tick after reply and then click on the hide view status. There is update option just below privacy from where you can download instantly freely the new version of GB WhatsApp whenever it's released. And just below there are various options. One of them is home screen from where you can customize your home screen color, style or any other modes. The other best mode of GB WhatsApp is lock option from where you can lock your WhatsApp pattern or pin. In universal option there is a mode option from where there are a lot of modes, but one of them is to change the launcher icon and there are various type of icon you can like and you can choose to. Let's check icon is applied or not.